much fun. Scout the pup helps lead the way, guiding his friend through every day. He keeps them safe from bumps and falls, a loyal guide who hears their calls. Helper dogs, on the go, doing good wherever they go. Big or small, they lend a paw, working with love, it's their doggy law. Milo runs with mail to share, through the breeze and morning air. He wags his tail, delivers with glee, a letter for you and one for me. Luna sits so soft and still, by the books on windowsill. She helps us read with wag and cheer, turning pages snuggled near. Helper dogs, on the go, doing good